am Carla Rivera, founder of Kiana Rivera, and I'm here to show you how to make a t-shirt dress. So what you can do with making a t-shirt dress is to find a big size shirt that you like, and you can find one with embellishment or graphics, whatever you prefer, and make sure that it's long enough to have the measurements for a dress. And the easiest thing to do is to try it on, of course, or if you have a mannequin, make sure you put it on to see where you want to place a belt or a sash. You could take any type of belt and place it on the waist. Get a great pair of heels and you're ready to go out on the town. Now there are many ways you can create a t-shirt dress, but this is the fastest and easiest way to get the look you want without having to actually cut fabric and sew it. Once again, I'm Carla Rivera, and thank you so much for watching How to Make Your Own T-Shirt Dress.